Are heating elements safe? The answer is yes. Each heating element is equipped with at least 2 safeguards against overheating, the most dangerous scenario that could occur. The first safeguard is typically software-based. It works by detecting a rapid temperature increase in the radiator and automatically shutting off the heating element if necessary. The second safeguard is a thermal fuse. Located within a capillary tube inside the radiator, it cuts off power to the heating element if the heating medium inside exceeds a certain temperature. The part of the heating element located inside the radiator consists of 2 components. One component is a U-shaped heating element, the other is a shorter capillary tube, inside which, among other things, a fuse is located. This serves as a safeguard that detects excessively high temperatures of the heating medium inside the radiator and, in such a case, switches off the heating.